what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Brock Go Fast. I know it's been a hot minute since I've been able to post. Life has been busy and crazy and wild and yeah. But we're back. And I've been doing a little wheel selling. I got 3 sets of wheels at the house for the car. Absolutely loving the ZL1 1LE. And but the other day I was going to sell one of the sets of wheels, and someone had contacted me about my OEM set that I had sitting in the garage, which was not for sale at all. And he said, "Come on, please sell me these bad boys." And I told him, I said, "Look, it's going to cost this to sell them because they were not for sale. I want to keep them for the track." And they had like 400 miles on the whole setup. And made me an offer I couldn't refuse, so they disappeared. So I sold those bad boys, and was gonna buy another OEM set, and kind of look for those and see if I could find some with tires on it, because I am in the hunt for some. Sorry, that's the Enclave that we just went by, and on the hunt for some OEM tires. I did contact someone, so I've got a set of tires with like 400 miles that I'm meeting up with someone tomorrow to pick up. But in the meantime, because I always either flip wheels or want new wheels or buy wheels and tires and just kind of have fun with it, I found a set local here that are very, very, very cheap. Now the tires are the 3Rs, but they're old. But he's got them for $1,000, for the tires and the wheels. So I'm gonna go meet him now because it's something I just can't pass up. I mean, that's a really good, really good deal. But before we get into that, hit that subscribe button, hit like down below, join the team, join Brock Go Fast. We have a lot of fun here, and the channel's growing, so that's great. But yes, so these wheels are powder coated gray, which is not my first choice. I would like the OEM flat black and all that good stuff. And if you can hear that, I'm sure you can, the Chevy shimmy right now, anything over 70, the whole cab shakes. I just can't figure it out. Anyhow, if you can hear me over the shimmy shaking, so I don't know what to do. I'm gonna go look at these wheels. They are OEM. He's had them for a long time, like 2-3 years, just never put them on the car, sold the car now. The tires are a little old, so maybe someone needs a set of tires that's just to trade it in or figure it out, those kind of things. So I'm either going to put some tires on these bad boys and either powder coat them back to the original color, or I'm going to sell the wheels and flip them. I just don't know what I'm going to do yet, because I do like having the numerous sets of wheels, and for such a good deal, I can't pass this up. Could be a great set of track wheels. So maybe I'll just throw the track tires on them and just use them as track wheels. So, a good set that I don't really worry about getting dinged up, beat up. So I'm on the way now. It's about an hour drive, meeting up. Really nice guy. Also loves S2000s, which is cool and near and dear to my heart. And we'll take you along on the journey. So we are on the way to go meet him, and let's see what these bad boys look like. So as soon as we get there, we'll show them. Well, we just got to the spot. Huh, Shelbs? Apparently there's other dogs here that she's very excited to see. Just waiting on the guy to get here, get these wheels and tires. I always feel, weird meeting up sometimes like this, because it's always, you don't know people. You try to know them as much as you can. But, the dog wanted to come. Huh, Shelbs? So you should be here soon, and it's wheeling and dealing time. Well, here we go. Man, these wheels are awesome. I mean, I actually really like that flat gray. What do y'all think? Tires are in like really good shape. I mean, they are old, but they're still a little soft. I don't know, they got some meats. I might give them a whirl. These are really nice. The flat gray is just, it actually turned out super good. It's a good deal, man. All right, let's get these bad boys home. I might keep these. Let's see. All right, I'm on the way back. and I wanted to show you guys the Chevy Shimmy. Maybe somebody knows the fix for this or if they ever fixed it, but we're doing 67, right? We watch this center console here. We are gonna get up to 70, 72. Do you see that? It's unreal. Just shakes at 73. So I don't know if there was a fix, but now it's 69 and it's gone. So I don't know if anybody else can help me out here, what the fix was. They always said it was a big vibration issue and no one could ever figure it out. This is a 14 Silverado, but I can tell you that it is getting incredibly annoying to the point where I can't drive this truck on the interstate without shaking myself apart. It's getting a little bad. So if anyone's got some clues, put them down below. I need some help. But let's get home and get these wheels unloaded. All right, we made it home. Tread looks pretty good on him, I'd say. All right, so we made them home. Made it home. Let's uncover these bad boys. I mean, the gray colors, I'm starting to dig it. I don't know about you guys. I am starting to dig it. It's kind of cool, you know, to have those gray wheels. Now, obviously, they look, I don't think it looks great because the sidewalls are a little brown from, I think, sitting for a while. So I guess the big decision is, and I need your help with this, comment down below, you know, because I'm always buying, selling, flipping, trying to do everything. Do I keep them and keep them for a spare set of wheels for maybe a quick autocross or just a street drive? Do I keep them like this and flip them and maybe make a little money, or, you know, maybe just even out and they're just weren't for me? Do I go get them powder coated the original color and, you know, keep them as spares and keep them stacked up? Or do I put another set of track tires on it and just have another set of track wheels? I don't know. Decisions. So comment below. What do you think I should do with these bad boys? They are growing on me that they're great and they're in spectacular shape. They have not been mounted since being powder coated. So pretty awesome deal. Nice to have an extra spare set, you know, maybe find some more track tires to put on there. So always can't hurt to have a couple sets of track tires, right? So comment below what you think. And that's kind of it for today. So thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Hit subscribe, hit like, comment below. What do you think I should do with these bad boys? And I'll see you on the next one. Brock, go fast.